Welcome to Auto Info Master, your trusted destination for everything on wheels. In today's video, we are exploring the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a revolutionary leap forward in the world of mobile luxury living. Combining rugged American engineering with modern design, premium interiors, and high-tech features, this new motorhome from Chevrolet is built for those who demand both comfort and adventure on the road. Whether you're planning to travel cross-country, camp under the stars, or live a nomadic lifestyle, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is designed to make every journey unforgettable. Let's start by diving into the overall design and exterior aesthetics of this beautiful machine. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome exudes a bold, commanding presence from the moment you lay eyes on it. Built on a heavy-duty chassis inspired by Chevrolet's Silverado HD platform, it offers strength, durability, and the reliability long-haul travelers seek. The front fascia is aggressive yet modern, featuring a sleek grille with chrome accents and signature LED daytime running lights. The headlamps are full LED adaptive units, offering enhanced visibility during night driving or rough weather conditions. Its aerodynamic bodywork is carefully sculpted to reduce wind drag while maintaining a tall and commanding stance. The expansive panoramic windshield offers a wide field of view, making the driving experience easier and more immersive. On the sides, you'll notice full-length power retractable awnings, flush-mounted tinted windows for privacy, and integrated side cameras for a 360-degree view. The motorhome also includes roof-mounted solar panels for off-grid power supply and modern alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ensuring it's road-ready for all types of adventures. With a total length of approximately 30 to 35 feet depending on the variant, the Chevrolet Motorhome is big enough to live in and small enough to maneuver with confidence. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is where this vehicle truly shines. As you step through the motorized sliding door, you're greeted with a luxurious and spacious cabin that looks more like a modern studio apartment than an RV. High-quality materials are used throughout, including soft-touch leather upholstery, solid wood cabinetry, ambient LED lighting, and polished aluminum accents. The layout is intelligently designed to make the most out of every square inch. To the left of the entrance is a cozy lounge area with a large L-shaped sofa, complete with power recliners and integrated USB-C ports. A 55-inch 4K smart TV with surround sound is mounted above a built-in electric fireplace, creating a warm and relaxing ambience for evening entertainment. Across from the lounge is the fully equipped kitchen. It includes an induction cooktop, convection microwave, deep stainless steel sink with pull-out faucet, a full-size refrigerator with freezer, and plenty of cabinets for storage. The countertops are made of Corian or quartz, depending on trim level, and there's even a fold-out dinette for meals or remote work. As we move further back, you'll find a luxurious bathroom suite featuring a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall head, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with a backlit mirror. High-efficiency water systems ensure low consumption without sacrificing performance. Towels, warmers, and underfloor heating are also available as options. At the rear of the motorhome lies the master bedroom, a tranquil, private retreat complete with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, overhead reading lights, multiple USB and power outlets, and ample storage space. Full-length wardrobes, underbed compartments, and hidden cubbies ensure you have space for everything you need on the road. The room is also equipped with a secondary smart TV and blackout curtains to ensure a good night's sleep. In terms of performance, Chevrolet has gone above and beyond to deliver both power and efficiency. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a robust 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine, producing around 400 horsepower and over 900 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers smooth shifts and impressive towing capacity. For those looking at hybrid options, Chevrolet is also offering a plug-in hybrid variant equipped with an electric motor that provides up to 80 miles of all-electric range, perfect for campground maneuvering or short city errands. Ride comfort is another major highlight. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth and controlled ride even on uneven terrain, and the acoustic insulation throughout the cabin means you enjoy a quiet and peaceful experience whether driving or parked. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction, and the vehicle's onboard leveling system automatically adjusts for slopes when parked at a campsite. When it comes to features and technology, the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome is loaded. The cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. There's also built-in 5G Wi-Fi, satellite navigation, and even remote diagnostics via Chevrolet's connected services. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and parking assist with trailer guidance, making this one of the safest motorhomes on the market. Chevrolet also offers a mobile companion app that allows you to monitor tank levels, battery status, and climate settings remotely. Additional upgrades include an onboard washer/dryer combo, integrated vacuum system, and a modular garage at the rear for storing bikes or outdoor gear. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet motorhome is expected to be competitively priced in its segment. The base model starts around $135,000, offering essential features and a durable layout. The mid-tier LT variant, which adds leather seating, solar panels, and upgraded tech, is priced around $155,000. The top-of-the-line Premier Edition, which includes all luxury features, full off-grid capabilities, and advanced safety systems, is expected to start at $180,000. Chevrolet is also offering optional extended warranties and service packages tailored for full-time travelers. So, who is this motorhome for? Whether you're a retired couple planning to travel across North America, a digital nomad living the van life, or a young family seeking weekend adventures, the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome is an incredibly well-rounded option. It combines the practicality of a mobile home, the luxury of a boutique hotel, and the confidence of Chevrolet's reliable engineering. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome sets a new standard in recreational travel. With its bold exterior, luxurious interior, advanced tech, and powerful performance, it's clear that Chevrolet has reimagined what's possible in the motorhome space. It's not just about traveling, it's about experiencing life on your terms, in comfort, style, and safety. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest automotive content. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome for your next big adventure? Until next time, drive safe and travel smart.